We want to write the following equations in standard form. So let's remember what standard form is. Standard form is a form for linear equations in which all the variables are on one side and the constants are on the other side. So here a, b, and c are the numbers that are multiplying x and y, and c is a constant, and they have to be integers. So a, b, and c have to be integers. That means that they can be either whole numbers or negative numbers, and a has to be a positive number. So let's look at this equation here. 3x equals negative 3y plus 5. So we need to move this negative 3y to the other side, but to move it we need to, add it on both sides. So we'll go to the other side with a different sign, so it disappears here, it cancels out, and here you get 3x plus 3y is equal to 5, and that's our answer here. 3x plus 3y is equal to 5. For the second problem, we have negative 2x is equal to y minus 5. There are several ways of doing it. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to subtract y on both sides, and now you get negative 2x minus y. That's equal to negative 5, and we notice that this number here is negative and we need it to be positive. So what we're going to do now is we're going to multiply both sides by negative 1. I'm going to write the negative 1, but you only need to write a negative sign, and we're going to multiply negative 1 here as well. And using the distributive property, all we have to do is change the sign of every single thing, every single term. So you get 2x plus y is equal to 5, and that is our answer. 2x plus y is equal to 5. The third problem is a bit longer. It takes a bit more work, but it's still very simple. So I'm going to erase everything here first, so we have some space to work. And we notice that we have x's on both sides of the equation, so we need to move that. So you have negative 2x plus y plus 3 equals 5x minus 1. So my first goal is to have all the numbers on the right hand side. So I'm going to subtract this negative 3 here, and by doing that I get negative 3 plus 3, you get 0. So you get negative 2x plus y is equal to 5x, and negative 1 minus 3 is negative 4. So we're almost done, but now we need to move this x to the other side. So we're going to subtract 5x on both sides. So these ones, they cancel out, and negative 2x minus 5x, that's negative 7x plus y, that's equal to negative 4. Again, we have a negative here, so we need to multiply both sides by negative 1, and you get 7x minus y is equal to 4, and that's our answer for this one. So 7x minus y is equal to 4. For this one, you're going to do a very short. You have a fraction, and that's the only thing that is making it not be in standard form. So we can solve it very easily by multiplying both sides by 5. We can multiply both sides by 5. So when you multiply 5 times 1/5 of x, you get 5 over 5, which is 1, so you get only x. 5 times negative 2y, that's negative 10y. And on the other side, you get 5 times 5, that's 25, and that's your answer.